Voice also. Yeah, good morning, Rupesh. Yes, morning. Welcome to My Skills, My Future. Quantitative aptitude class. Welcome you all. Very good morning once again. Welcome Mr. Kabir, as well as Shashidhar Reddy and Harshavardhan. Great morning to you all. Let me start the session. In the previous last 2 days, we covered quantitative as well as reasoning. Today also I want to discuss few problems which were appeared in CGL examination. See, CGL examination is very difficult. It is almost like PO exam. Maharani and Satya Manoj, welcome you all. Thank you for this, what you call, participation. Great. Now, I want to do CGL paper today. Whole paper I want to calculate. I want to do the calculation, right? So if you're okay, then we'll start now, right? Great morning. Fine. In an organization, okay, yeah, in an organization, it is observed that every 2 employees share the newspaper Hindu between them. Now, in this organization, let the number of employees is X, right? It is observed that every 2 employees share the newspaper Hindu between them. If you observe that whenever this word is given every, we need to divide. For example, 10 people are there. For every 5 students means what? 10 by 5. So we are talking about 2 students. See, for every 2 employees, Hindu, let me write clearly, X by 2, Hindu paper they'll read. For every 3 employees, share the newspaper of Economics Times. So X by 3. This is economic times. And for every 4 employees, Indian Express, X by 4, they read Indian Express from the library. Great. But it is well, there are only 182 newspapers. That means altogether, the sum of is nothing but 182. Find the number of employees in this organization. That means you must have to calculate the value of X. Great. Very simple question. The passage, whole passage seems to be very larger. But only thing is, if you understand, it's very easy. Great. Now, here, if I take LCM of 12, 2 6x plus 3 4x plus 4 3x, which is equal to 182. So this is 13x, okay? So cross multiplication, right? 182 people are there, 10, 13. Then how to do calculation? 2 6, 3 4s, 4 3s, 7 plus 6, 13. Now, 13 ones are 13, 52, 13 fours are. Cross multiplication, x is equal to 14, 12. 12 fours are 48, 4, 12 ones are 12, 168. So your answer is 168. Hope you understood clearly. Yeah, Manoj, welcome. Right. So now onwards, I want to give you work. Let us react clearly from the second question, right? Hope you understood. Let me go through this problem. Fine. I'll give you some time, like 30 to 20 seconds. Just have a glance, then chat with me with your right answers. Great. Yeah, Chandralekha, welcome. Very good morning, Amma. Now read the second question, all of you. Let me read once again. A shopkeeper sold an article at a profit of 20%. If had bought it 20% less and sold it for 80 rupees less, then earns a profit of 25%. Find the cost price of the article. Wonderful question. Waiting for your answers. See, CGL questions, not difficult, but it shows like difficult question. See, quantitative always testing the people's numerical ability, problem solving skills, and also mathematical skills. Of course, we are going to do many of the questions which will come across all types of flavors. Yeah, any one of you got the answer? So, let me give you an explanation. Great. Shopkeeper sold an article at a profit of 20%. Read to this. Let me write CP, SP here. If I take CP as 100, SP is 120. Why? Because he sold it for 20% profit. Great. If he had bought it 20% less, bought it, purchased, right? So 20% less, I will take 80 rupees, right? 80 less, okay? 80 less, then earns a profit of 25%. I want to get 25% profit. Is it right? 25% means 1/4 of 80, right? It is 20. So he has to sell it for 100 rupees to get 25% profit. Is it right? 80 rupees, 100 rupees you have to sell, then 25% profit. Now, so, and sold it for 80 less. Sold it for 80 less as compared to the previous one, right? So in the previous case, he sold it for 120. Now he sold it for 100. How much less he sold? 20, which is equal to 80 rupees as he gave original value. As he gave, this is original, right? How many times it is? Approximately into 4 times. Great. Find the cost price of the article. Cost price is 100, right? Said cost price is 100. So into 4, you get the answer 400. So your answer is D. Follow my point. I hope you are clear. Follow my point. Yeah, excellent. So please make use of chat, right? Please subscribe and try to press bell button, right? So please discuss with me and make use of chat box. Okay, Kabir bhai is very good. Right answer. 400 is the right answer. Excellent, right? So kindly interact with me with each and every question. If not, I'm ready to give the explanation. Don't worry about this. Fine. Next problem. So read it properly. Question is very simple. Try to understand each and every sentence and put it on the paper, then solve it. You get the answer easily. Yeah, Jahnavi, welcome, Amma. Good morning. Very good morning. So let me read once a problem so that the style of reading question also gives some idea. A rickshaw dealer buys 30 rickshaws for this one. Yes. Of these, that means out of these, 8 are 4-seater, right? 30 rickshaws, he purchased it for rupees 4725. Right. Out of these, 8 are 4-seater. And the rest means remaining, right? That is 22 rickshaws are 2-seater. Great. At what price must he sell 4-seater? This, how much he has to sell? This is our target. 2-seater, 3/4 of this price. Okay, this price, he makes a profit of 40%. Okay, 40%. I hope Jahanavi's screen is very clear, Amma. Kindly zoom your what do you call screen so that everything is visible. Even I'll change the font. Right. Kindly have a glance, think for some time. Now I explained everything and furnished on the screen. Okay. See, once if you understand the question, it's a matter of 1 or 2 steps. Now I expressed everything in this. Yeah, Chini, good morning, Amma. Good morning. Welcome to the session. Now question is displayed on the screen. Right, okay. Let me come to the question. Now, as I said, 30 rickshaws purchased for this one. Finally, he wants to make a profit of 40% on this. What is 40%? 10% is here, 0.5 into 4, right? So 0, 2, 8, 10, 1, 28, 29, 2, 16, 18. Great. So I need to add 475. 40% profit, 5, 11, 16, 6. 6615 he has to sell. Great. Let us assume that what we have to calculate, 4-seater price we have to calculate, that is called X. And what he said, what price must he sell 4-seater so that if he sell 2-seater, 3/4 of this price, right? 3/4 of this price. Great. So let me write the equation, right? So how many 4-seaters are there? 8. What is the price of this one? X plus. How many 2-seaters are there? Right? 22. What is the price of this one? 3/4 X. So which is equal to he has to sell it to get a profit percent. I think you are following, right? 2s are 2 11s, right? If I take LCM, 16x plus 33x, which is equal to 6615, right? It is 49x. 49 means we need to divide by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 nines are 63, 31, 7 fours are 7 fives are again by 7, 7 ones are 7, okay, 24, 7 threes are 7 fives are 135 into 2. X value is very clear, 270. So the price of 4-seater is 270 rupees. Only one step, boss. If you are very clear, you can get that. So your target is we need to sell it for 40% of the profit. How we are selling? 4-seater with some price, 2-seater with some other price. The price link is also given, that is the 3/4 of the 4-seater. I hope you are following my point. Great. Please make use of chat, but try to press bell button, try to subscribe. Thank you one and all. Let me move to the next question. Now, read the question properly. Difference between, let me read it again. Difference between, okay. So difference between simple interest and compound interest on certain sum, say P of money for 2 years, 4% per annum. Difference is given as 1 rupee. What is the sum of money? I need to calculate this one. Okay. Now what to do was, so we have the formula for what you call simple interest. That is PTR by 100. This is simple interest. And the compound interest is clearly given P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n minus 1. This difference is given as 1 rupee. Now I think if you have to express it, it's very difficult to calculate. Yeah, any one of my friend? Do you have the rule of this? Especially for 2 years, there is a small rule. Yes? Fine. Kindly make use of chat box. Whatever the doubts you have, express it. Let us have the interaction, nice interaction, so that we can get clear of all the doubts. Because these are all the questions appeared in SSC CGL examination. It's a mixture of everything, which comes under aptitude, which comes under geometry, which comes under what you call pure maths, which comes under higher maths, everything. Right. Yeah, Kabir bhai, you shared the answer 600. Let me do this. Great. Let me give the rule for this. Right. Sum is equal to x into 100 by r whole square. It is a rule whenever difference of SI and CA is given, where x is different. I think that is our calculation. Sum is not given, P. Of course, that is we have to calculate. Difference is 1 rupee is given, 100 by rate of interest is 4 whole square. I hope you understood clearly. What is the answer? Can you please tell me? Yes. Answer is second option, B. That is 25 whole square, right? It is of 625. It is a rule exclusively for 2 years, right? For 3 years, shall we keep 3 here? No. No. There is some other rule. Like sum is equal to x into 100 by r whole square into 3 plus 100 by r. This is extra rule. Of course, we discuss all these things later. Fine. 625. Chandralekha, right, Amma? 625, right? So let me move to the next question. Hope you people started participating, right? Excuse me. Now, question number 5. This comes under indices and surds. So in SSC, they used to give round about 10 to 12 questions of pure maths. 10 to 12 questions of pure maths they used to ask. So you should get ready for the simplification, right? Great. Now, any one of you simplify? Any one of you get the answer? So let me write the question properly. Root 2 plus root 3 upon 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. What to do to make simplification? We need to rationalize. We need to rationalize. Rationalization means to make denominator in a simple, denominator absurd, right? Into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 upon 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. So here minus is there, make it as plus and multiply and divide. Great. What is the simplification? Yes, answer is B. Yeah, Chinni gave answer of B. Any one of you try to do this along with me? Multiply. If you multiply, it will become 6 plus multiply again. What is that? 2 root 6 plus multiply this one, 3 root 6 plus again multiply 6 whole divided by a plus b into a minus b, right? So this square 9 2s are 18 minus this square 4 3s are 12. So it is nothing but 6. Let me write 12 plus 5 root 6 divided by 6. Simply 2 plus 5 by 6 root 6, which is equal to given as x plus y root 6. If you just compare, what is the value of x? 2. Cancel this one. What is the value of y? 5 by 6. So your answer is 1. Hope you understood. Yeah, please respond. My dear friends, please respond for each and every question, whether you are following or not. Otherwise, I am ready to explain once again. Right? Yeah, Kabir Bhai, so nice. Got the answer is A. Great. Wonderful, Amma. Let me continue. The next one. Questions are simple. I always say that quantitative questions are simple. The way you understand, the way you furnish, the way you express it, the way you solve it. Right? Yeah, sure. Come on. See, I'll give the clue for this. To solve it. X plus 1 by x is equal to 3. To find power, I have to do square, I have to do cube. Of course, this will become 5. First, I have to do square, I have to do cube. Come on, try for this. I used to wait for you. Yeah, friends, these are all we have done in our lower standard. Only thing is, in competitive exams, they are going to test again your ability, how you do it within the time. That's very important. Yes, Maharani, Kabir, Chandrakala, as well as Chinni, Jahanavi, do it fast. All right. First, let me do square. x plus 1 by x whole square. Right. X square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equal to 9. So definitely x square plus 1 by x square will become 7. Next cube, x plus 1 by x whole cube. It is nothing but 27. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is equal to 27. This part is again 3. So 9. How much it will become? 18. Right. 27 minus 9, 18. Now I got x square and cube. Multiply. Right. So I just want to do multiplication of these two things. X square plus 1 by x square into x cube plus 1 by x cube, which is nothing but, right, 7 into 18. I just want to multiply, right? Fine. X power 5 plus 1 by x plus 1 by x power 5, which is equal to 70 plus 56, 126, right? Of course, this part is clearly given how much? 3, right? So now tell me, what is the answer? X power 5 plus 1 by x power 5 is how much? Come on. What is the value? 126 minus 3, 123. Hope you are clear, right? So this is complete algebraic expression. Only thing is simplification. So you need to have the idea, whenever power is given, we need to go through with square ones, cube ones. That's all. Is it clear, all of you? Great. Shall I move to the next one? I hope you understood all these expressions. Is it right? Great. Okay, continue with the next one. Right. Ram walks 40 kilometer at 5 kilometer per hour. He'll be late by 1 hour 20 minutes. So because of this strategy, right, he is late by 20 minutes. If he wants to go with this speed, what is the early time for the fixed time? Is it right? All of you following my point? Come on, you need to respond, boss. You need to respond. Great. Yes. Yeah, come on, tell me, how do you feel about these kind of questions? They're all conditional based. They have not given us right. If, when the word is given if, something they are going to keep condition, whether you go back or to come forward, right? Yeah, come on. Yes, Amma. Yes, anyone, can you respond for this question? I'm waiting for your answer. Great. Shashidhar, great. Wonderful, boss. I hope you understood clearly, right? Yeah, welcome, Vishasri. Hope you people are following. Shall I give explanation? Great. See, Ram walks 40 kilometers in 5 kilometers per hour. What is the time? 40 by 5, 8 hours. But with this, he is late by 1 hour 20 minutes. That means actually he has to move 6 hours 40 minutes. Following my point? Clear, all of you? Right? 6 hours 40 minutes. It is the exact time. Right? But he is late by 1 hour 20 minutes. That's what he took 8 hours. Fine. Fine. If 8 kilometers per hour, suppose the distance is 40, If the speed is increased to 8, he should have to go by 5 hours only. He should have to go by 5 hours only. Actual exact time is 6 hours 40. What is the early time here? How much he is saving time? He saves here 1 hour 40 minutes. Following my point? Yes, right, absolutely. Absolutely, this is right. Satya, Manoj, right, this is right. Thank you, excellent, very nice. I hope that it deals with the common sense of the people. That's what I said, read the question properly. Right, you should have to read the question properly. What is given, what is the condition is given. Following my point? Yes, excellent. Shashidhar, you also got C. C is the right answer. Hope everyone understood. Right? Thank you. Shall I move the next question? Great. Wonderful. Now read the question properly. Let me write. Super fast train starts from Delhi to Agra 30 minutes late when it moves 80 kilometers per hour. So Delhi to Agra with 80 kilometers per hour, 30 minutes late. Late in the sense plus. When it moves 80 kilometers per hour, fine, up to this is completed. 48 minutes late when it moves 6 kilometers per hour. If he travel with 60 kilometers per hour, he is late by 48 minutes. What is this exactly? 60 speed is reduced. So ultimately, actually he is late by 30 minutes. When the speed is reduced, he'll become more late, right? What is the distance? This you have to calculate. Okay, any idea? Anyone, can you please respond? At least, what are the steps to be taken into consideration? Okay, shall I move? Great. Now here, in this situation, distance is constant in both situations. Let us assume time is t. The exact time to reach the destination is t. So here distance is same, means distance is equal to speed into time. Let me consider this part. In the first case, speed is 80, time is t plus 30. Okay, because he took 30 minutes late, originally t minutes and 30 minutes extra, which is equal to 60 into t plus 48. Following? Now both are equal. Why? Because distance is same. Simplify these two. 80t plus 240 is equal to 60 plus 240 plus 48 to 88, right? So 2t is equal to how much? 48. T is equal to 24 minutes. Is it our requirement? No. We need to have the distance. Is it right? Because our target is distance between, right? We need to calculate distance. Great, Kabir bhai. So we need to calculate distance, right? What is the distance? Distance is either you substitute here or you may substitute here. Follow my point. Let me substitute here. 80 into 24 plus 30, right? It is 54, okay? So 54, this is minutes. Let me write by 60. So 80 into 54 by 60, right? 0 cancel, 6 nines, 9 eights are 72 kilometers. Excellent. Excellent. So instead of doing, I think this is absolutely good to understand, right? Let me give the simple, what you call rule for this. Distance is equal to product of speeds upon difference of speeds into lead time. So product of speeds 80 into 60 divided by difference is 20 into lead time. How to calculate lead time? When the two things are same sign plus, take the difference. Sometimes they'll give late, sometimes they'll give early, then add it. Now we need to calculate the difference of this. So 30 minus 48, the difference is 18. So this is in minutes. So I just want to write 60 by 60 to convert into hours. Right, simplification, 24s, 418s are 72 kilometers. Of course, you understood. I've done traditional, I've done simple method. I hope, please note this one. It's a very important rule, right? I hope you understood. Very nice, excellent, Kabir bhai. You have given the right answer. Wonderful. Right. Great. 18 minutes. 18 minutes. Minutes you need to convert by dividing 60. So shall I make a move? Right. Excellent. I'll go to the next problem. Fine. Come on, read it. See, 18 women do a work 9 hours per day to complete 30% of work in 30 days. So wonderful information is given clearly. The rest of the work, that means remaining 70% of the work by 9 women, okay, working 9 hours per day, then work did how many days? This is question mark. Tell me the answer now. What is the answer? Very simple. You need not use formula. This problem comes under time and work. It should be in a smart way. All right. See the given question. I'm waiting for your answers, boss. Right. This part is same in both cases. Right? Yeah, one person gave answer, Chini. I think you have given fourth choice, that is 140. Well, yeah, Kabir bhai, 140. Of course, when all the people are giving the same answer, obviously that is right answer in my view. Right? Amma Usha Sri, you have given A, no problem. No problem. We'll check it out. Right. Now better avoid this one. So let me compare question mark with this and also question mark with this. Listen carefully. If you cannot understand, please try to post it on chat box so that I'll give explanation once again. 30% of the work done in 30 days. 70% of work, more work, can be done in more days, right? I'll write more by less into 30. I hope you understood. Into. I want to compare these two. 18 women can do the work in 30 days, right? 9 women, manpower is reduced. They'll take more number of days. More in the sense, I'll write more by less. Now your calculations are simple, right? Clear? Clear? Answer is 140. Excellent. Congratulations, Kabir Bhai, as well as Chini. Well done. Keep it up, Usha. Right? So you tried well, Amma, right? 140 is right. Hope you understood. I hope this procedure is very simple. I need not use M1, D1, H1 is equal to M2, D2, H2, right? This is nonsense. Okay? Hope you are clear. Let me go through this. Right. So another question is given. Yes, please. Yes, Kabir. You need the explanation of another method? If yes, I'm ready to give explanation. Okay. Just let me go back. Okay. 18 women, 30% of the work done in 30 days. 9 women, 70% of the work, how many days? More work, they'll take more days. More by less into this, right? Less number of people, they'll take more number of days. More by less. So very clear. Answer is 140. I think kindly better use this method, right? Great. Excellent. Let me move to the next one. Fine. So 11 persons, out of 11 persons, 10 persons spend 35 rupees each. So 11 people are there. Out of these, 10 people spend rupees 35. That is total how much? Total how much they spend? Rupees 350. Right. 11th one spend, that is one person spend, right? 40 more than average expenditure of all. All average expenditure is all, that's all, right? So let us say average is X. Fine. How much this person spent? 40 rupees more, that is X plus 40. Average is X, X plus 40. What is the total money spent by all of them? Total money means, so total money, what is this amount? What is the average? Right. Come on. How to calculate this one? Shall I wait for some time? So how to get total? Sum is equal to average into number of items. Okay, let me talk about the total. Let me talk about total, right? Total is 11 members, average X means total is 11X, which is equal to 10 members total, 350 plus, so 1 person total, X plus 40. So 10X is equal to 390. X is equal to 39. What is X? Basically, this is average, right? So what is the total, boss? Is equal to average into number of items. I think your answer is very clear. Why? Because here all are in terms of decimal, but here no chance of getting decimal. Very clear. 99, 32, 42, 33, 42. Hope you are clear, right? Yeah, Shashi Kumar sir, good morning. Welcome. Yeah, Kabir bhai, your answer is right. Answer is C, 429. Because you need not wait for calculation. It's clearly visible the answer round figure. Right? Excellent. Very good. This is related to average. Right? Yeah, Maharani, Gudama, I hope you people understood about this. It is 39, not 79. Yeah, second person 140 rupees. Right? So value is nothing but 39. Okay, good Kabir bhai. So let me continue with the next question. Excellent. Let me read the question and then leave it to you, because in the choice, given options, you'll find none of these, which is the wonderful, tempting choice. Two friends work in the same company, and the ratio of their salaries 3:5. Two friends, let us say that AB, their salary ratio is 3:5. So looking at this, what you understood? B salary is more, A salary is less. I cannot say more than this. Right. First friend, that means A, gets promoted after a year, and his salary increased by 1/3 of the salary of his friend. First person, so X, 1/3 of X increased. So how to calculate? Shall I wait? Kabir, give answer C. 14:15. Yeah, wonderful. Let me see that. Your answer is right or wrong. Shashidhar, my voice is not clear. What about other people? What about others? Kindly respond in the chat box. Yes, please. Fine. Now let me do this one. See, from this 1/3, his salary increased. So 1/3 in the sense, this part must be a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. Okay. I hope you are clear now. Let me assume this part is 60. Let me assume, right? Assume this part is 60. How many times it is? 12 times, right? if you write 12 times, okay, his salary is 36. Of course, this gives the ratio of 3:5. 12 3s, 12 5s. Fine. I'm not going to deviate the given statement. Assumption we can take as 600, which must be a multiple of 3. Now, okay. See, 1/3 of 60 is nothing but 20. Is 1/3 salary is increased, that is plus 20. Increased, his salary is 56, his salary is 60. What is the new ratio? Current salaries, right? Current salary is very clear. 4 1s, 4 4s, 4 1s, 4 5s. So your answer is C. Great. Maharani, excellent Amma. Shashidhar, Kabir, all the people got the same answer. Excellent. What my suggestion while doing quant is very simple. Quant is nothing but you get wonderful fee, right? So while doing quantitative questions, now here given ratio, here given some kind of fractions, increment or decrement, simple kind of things. Is that right? Great. So shall I make a move? Right. Yes, all must have to try and test your ability. How many questions you are going to do right? In what way you people are doing, in what way I'm doing, right? Okay, anyone got the answer? Yes, okay, let me move. It's such a simple question. Amit got thrice as many marks in maths as in English. So maths is equal to thrice that of English. The proportion of marks in maths and history 4:3. Maths and history is equal to 4:3. So it is a 4x, it is 3x. If I substitute this maths 4x here, English is equal to 4x by 3. Great. Yes, wonderful. Sheikh Naveed, you got 80 for the choice. Let's wait for some time. Great. If the total marks in maths, English, history 250, total in the sense addition. So maths plus history plus English 4x by 3, which is equal to 250. So if I take as 3, 12x plus 9x plus 4x, which is equal to 250, right? Now this is 13 plus 12, 25x is equal to 250 into 3. I hope you understood x value. What is the value of x? 30. What is x? Right. What is the marks? 4 by 3 into x. Great. Your answer is 40. English, the marks in English is 40. Hope you are comfortable. Such a simple algebraic problem. Right? Excellent. Let me go to the next problem. I don't want to focus more on this. This is a simple equation. Okay. Comes under algebra. Simplifications. Right. Here, I would like to suggest there is some what you call printing problem here. Let me do it. Right. Let me give some kind of clarification over here. Here it is plus. The symbol is plus. Here is x. Right. Come on, start doing this. Simple simplification. Yeah, kindly respond whether you are practicing or idle. Let me know clearly. Friends, kindly do this question and come out of this answer. See, one thing I would like to say, simple. The whole question, right, is not appearing in any one of the term. Answer is not given in terms of x. Answer is not given in terms of y. Answer is not given in terms of z. All real values. That means every term gets cancelled. You may get numerical value. Yeah, Kabir Bhai gave answer C. Still. Okay, let me do this. This is a square minus b square. That is a plus b into a minus b. Similarly, a plus b into, okay, into a minus b. Similarly, y plus x minus z into y minus x. Yeah, y minus x plus z upon y plus x plus z and y plus x minus z. In the same way, z plus x minus y, z minus x plus y divided by y plus z plus x and y plus z minus x. If you look at very seriously, right, I think these two terms gets cancelled and these two things also gets cancelled and x z, zy, these two things gets cancelled. What is the remaining? This, of course, everything is same. X plus y plus z. Let me write the remaining. X plus, okay, y minus z plus y minus x plus z and z plus x minus y. Right? So everything gets cancelled. Right? The remaining is x plus y plus z. Everything gets cancelled. Your answer is C. Excellent, Amma. Chandrika is correct. And Kabir Beg is right. Right? I hope you understood. Right? Everything is cancelled. You'll get one. And if another case, if all the things cannot cancel, you'll get, if all the things cannot cancel, you get 3 into x plus y plus z whole divided by x plus y plus z. So there is a chance to get one also. Right? Following my point. So one question. Hope you are clear. Now, this comes under geometry. Geometry means you need to have the properties of each and everything. See the keen concept of polygons, triangles, circles, everything. Come on, try to attempt this one. Don't feel it is a difficult one. What is the given data first of all? See, your circle, your figure is not like this. Your figure is not like this. your figure is not like this. This is not your figure. There is some gap between these two. Is it right? A and B are centers of two circles with radius 9 and 14 respectively. AB. Let us say this A, right, 9, and B, this is 14, right. Whereas AB is 25, A and B is 25. That means 9 plus 14, 23. I think this gap is 2, right? That's what given in the figure. 9. Okay. Fine. Now another one, see the center of another circle with radius x. See, touching both. It has to touch. It has to touch. See the center. Radius x. This is x, which touches each circle externally outside. Fine, it is touching here. It is also touching here. Fine. Yeah. Now this also x. This x. This is 9. This is 14. Right. ACB is 90 degrees. This part is 90 degrees. Right. Shall I take out the figure? Like this. C, A, B. It is 90 degrees. What is this? 9 plus x. What is this length? X plus B. What is this length? 25. I hope you understood the clear picture. What is value of x? How to calculate? According to Pythagoras. So I write 9 plus x whole square plus x plus 14 whole square, which is equal to 25 square. Is it right? Is it right? You need to simplify. You need to simplify, right? Follow my point. Yes. Hope my voice is audible. Please give the confirmation. Yeah. Great. Now, if I substitute the value of C, 6 here, 6 here, 15 square plus 20 square. It is 225 plus 400. That gives 625. Hope your answer is clear. See, excellent. Kabir as well as Shashidhar both got the right answer. I think few people are trying for this. Is it right? Excellent. Good. Hope you are following this one. So I'll move to the next one. Great. Right. Ratio of number of sides of two regular polygons. Sides n. Ratio is n. Right? N1 is 2 is given 5 is to 6. Wonderful. ratio each interior angle. So I'll write the formula for interior angle formula for interior angle of polygon is equal to 2n minus 4 by n into 90 degrees. So the ratio is 2n1 minus 4n1 into 90 degrees to 2n2 minus 4 by n2 into 90 degrees. This is nothing but 24 is to 25. Right. Now here, let me substitute the values of one. This is 5x, this is 6x. Is it right? 90 gets cancelled, right? So this is 5x. That is 10x minus 4 by 5x is 6x. 12x minus 4 divided by 6x, which is equal to 24 is to 25. So cancel, right? Let me do cross. You get the simple 25 into this one. That is 5 into 10x minus 4. 6 into 24. 4 into 12x minus 4. Now get the answer. What is the number of n or n, right? So it is 50 minus is equal to 40 plus 16. So 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. X2 means what are the number of sides? Substitute here. What are the number of sides? Answer is B. Excellent, Kabir. The answer is B. Super. Yes, Manoj. I think my voice is clear. Great. Satyaj. Families, I think you understood. This is comes under polygon, which is nothing but which comes under plane geometry. Yes, very good. Hope you understood this problem. In this problem, this plays a very important role. So remember this, the interior angle. So let me write exterior angle. The exterior angle of this one is 360 by n. Kindly remember this one also. If you add everything, exterior and interior, the sum is nothing but 180. 80. Right? Yes, you can check option also. You can check option also. 10 and 12, you'll get the answer. Right? 10 and 12, you will get the answer instead of solving this part. Okay? Good, Kabir. Excellent. Let me move to the next one. Right. Now here, in the given figure, LM, AB, LO, that means LM, this part, AB, this part, okay, and LO, this part, are parallel. ANO, this I want. I want this, what do you call? I want this part, X. Remember one thing, in parallel lines, right? Alternate angles are equal. This part is equal. That is alternate angles are equal. Okay. That is this part how much? Given us 55. So 55 is equal to 30 plus x. So your answer is 25. Great, Jahanavi. Great math. Good, Jahanavi. Got the answer 25. Is it right? Excellent. Good. I hope you understood this one. Let me move to the next one. See. Okay. Good. Perimeter of an isosceles triangle with angle P 90 degrees, isosceles. Let me write. Angle P 90. Isosceles means these two are same. Say this is A, this is A, this is B. Area is given 32. Then how to calculate perimeter? Can I start doing everything? Try to use Pythagoras theorem. Use the area of Pythagoras theorem. Right angle triangle. Okay? Fine. So here, half into base is A, height is A, which is equal to 32 because area is given. Right. A square 64, A is equal to 8. If 8 is here, this will become 8 root 2. So remember one thing, x root 2, 5 root 2, simple, right? Now the perimeter means sum of all the sides, 8 plus 8 plus 8 root 2, right? 16 plus 8 root 2, great. Your answer is A. Very good. How many of you? Simple question. Only thing is, if you find the individual sides of each and everything, simply adding everything, you get perimeter. All right? Okay. Good, Sajia. Kabir bhai, good. Excellent. Wonderful. Still cautious because they are playing square roots, everything. Right? Fine. Next question. Right. Again, trigonometry question. Let me write properly. X sin theta plus y cos theta is equal to z. X cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to, let us say, k. This I have to calculate. Now, if you look at all the options, I think you don't find thetas. It is nothing but elimination of theta. Elimination of theta. Can you please tell me the answer? Simplified. Great. I do z square, a square, z square, a square plus b square plus 2ab sin theta cos theta plus k square x square cos square theta plus y square sin square theta minus 2xy sin theta cos theta. This gives, if x square take common, it is nothing but sin square theta plus cos square 1. Similarly, y square. These two things get cancelled. Now k square is equal to x square plus y square minus z square. What is the value of k? Plus or minus root of x square plus y square minus z square. I think your answer is clear. Simple simplification. Is it right, all of you? So answer is B. Excellent. Jajia. minus z square. Great. So shall I go to the next one? Wonderful. Yes. Again, trigonometry question, again related to elimination of theta. Okay. Right. So here, squares are given, right? A square, secant square theta, cos square pi. So y square, b square, secant square theta, sin square pi. Again, z square, c square, tan square theta. Very simple. Gets cancelled. Okay. So plus, if I take secant square theta common, right? Cos square theta plus sin square theta minus c square tan square theta. It is nothing but 1. This part is 1. So I'll take CC gets cancelled. You'll find only tan square theta. So secant square theta minus tan square theta. I hope what is the value? 1. Because we know the identity which is related to trigonometry, tan and secant. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So from this, we arrive this one. Better. Excellent. Kabir, first choice is right. It is simple play with what you call trigonometry. Is that right? Excellent. How come we get Jahanavi D? Maharani, 1 is correct. First choice is correct. So we don't get 0 because here we find identity. We cannot get it. Right, Amma? So go through next question, trigonometry. Now here, let us do cross, right? Like this. 3 secant theta plus 3 tan theta is equal to 5 secant theta minus 5 tan theta. Now here I'll get 2 secant theta. Here I get 8 tan theta. So simplify. 4 into sin by cos, 1 by cos, right? Sin theta is equal to 1 by 4. I think you got the direct answer. Very simple simplification, right? Clear, all of you? I think these are all comes almost all minimum pure maths, like coming to this indices, surds, everything, right? So we get the same, like comes under and polygons, pure maths contents, trigonometry, right? It all apart from the arithmetic part. Okay, so excellent. Jahnavi, it's very good. Choice is A. Maharani, first choice is correct. Wonderful. So let me continue with the next question. This is data interpretation. Great. So data interpretation, DI, which is very important. You have to read and then understand. It will be followed by 5 questions. Great. Now look at, so here we paragraph shows enrollment of students in absence of values in percent. Colleges A, B, C. Of course, A college, this is all colleges. Okay. As per period of 6 years, right? Yeah. Okay. Fine. Now here we should find the values. Values are very important. Here how much? 50. Here how much? 55. Here is 45. These are all in thousands, right? So here is 40, right? Here is 60. How much here? 50, right? Now we need to identify all these things easily. Follow my point? Great. Let me move to the first question because we understood very clearly. We interpreted very clearly all these things because 3 colleges data is given, enrollment of the students, right? In different ways. Is it right? Now, so let me write the things in the picture. Now, this is 50, okay? This is 55, 45. Now question is, total enrollment of college A, that is all the first terms in 2010 and 12. 2010 A how much? 50 plus 12 how much? It is 55. Okay, this is total. How much? 105. 105 is approximately what percentage of total enrollment of 11 and 15? 11 and 15. What is 11 of A? Total. Total 11. Total 11 how much? So I'll write this is 40, 60, and how much? 50. Total is 150 plus. So 2015 how much? 2015. So 2015 is how much? This is 50, right? It is 55, and this is how much? 40. So 135. Is it? Sorry, 145. Okay, ma? 145. So 145. So total together 295. So 295. This is 150 plus 145. It is nothing but 295. Okay. So 211, the total is 211 total is 150, 215 total is 145, right? Okay. Okay. Yes, I'll come back once again. Is it visible on my screen? Yeah, all of you. Yes, my screen is visible, all of you. No. Is it okay now? Yeah, great. Great. Okay, Beg. Yeah, Kabir Beg, as well as Maharani. Now it's visible. Now, what I said here, what I said, I calculated, right, the values of these 50 and 55. This is college A in 2010, A in 2012. This is A, right, in 2011 total, right? Is it clear of you? So is it okay? Yeah, is it okay, all of you? Yes. Hope we'll get back. Okay, fine. Now, percentage of total enrollments 2011 and 15. What percentage of that? That means 105 divided by 295 into 100. 105 by 295 into 100. Is it correct? Total enrollments approximately. Come on. College in A in 2001, sorry, 2001 and 2015, how much? No, it is not total. It is not total. A is how much? 40. A is 40. And 2015, A is 50. So, which is equal to 90. So, I'll write 105, right, divided by 90 into 100. What is the simplified value? 105, 0, 9. 9 ones are 9, 15. 9 ones are 9, 60. 9 sevens are approximately, right, 63. So given approximately, right, the value is 117. Great. So I request all of you, this problem I won't continue tomorrow because almost all time is up. Due to some technical issues, at the end of this session, some disturbance is there. No problem at all. We continue with this kind of questions tomorrow along with the reasoning part. So please subscribe and press bell icon. Kindly keep in touch with us. Practice, 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 so that we can get some more what we call fast doing all the questions in all the areas. Like CGL problems are ultimate problems if you practice CGL. So the difference between CGL and POs, in POs you don't find pure math questions. In CGL you will find pure math questions. Is it right? So pure math is a mixture of arithmetic. So this gives wonderful knowledge. So better we do all the what you call previous questions, so that it improves your way of thinking, it improves your quickness. Okay. So thank you very much. All the best. So stay safe. Welcome you all. Thank you very much.